Assalamu alaikum everybody, welcome in this video. So in this video we will learn about list function. So let's get it started. So the first of all I will like to read a variable. The variable is salaries. Salaries is equal array our list 1000 to thousands. So we have this list. I will post this list, and we have another list. The another list is salaries 2. So the other list is salaries 2 is about these items 1000, 2000, 100, 1500. So the difference between these lists, the first list item, the data type item are integer, and the data type items are string. So that is difference between. So the first function list is join. So how to make join between this? So print make this double quotation comma dot join salaries, open braces, and salaries 2. Okay, salaries 2. So the l.py. So let me make run to this code, python l.py run. Look at this. Don't print the array. So look at this. Print salaries 2. Now run this code. Look at the difference between this code and this code. I'm sorry, this run and this run. So that's difference between them. So now if I make another thing like that, print if and open curly braces, single quotation, comma, space, dot join, open braces, salaries. What is this? Okay, this is bad. Dot join, open curly braces, salaries 2, open braces, -1, and open another curly braces, make another join, dot join salaries 2 -1. Okay, let's me make run to this code. So look at this. I took from 1000 to the 950. So that's 950 is before last item, and then I took the last item. This is the last item, 6,000. So I have another functions. Print max salaries. So use join just to the string. So if I make to this salaries one and make python.py, so that's error. We have error. So return to the salaries 2. Okay, max, min, and sum. So absolutely, you know what's mean that max give you the max number in list, min give you the minimum number in the list, sum give you summation of list. Let's get it. The max number is 6,000, the minimum number is 950, the summation is 22,100. And goodbye.